We're back, fellow knife enthusiasts. Today we're doing a quick review of the Real Steel Phasma. We have the version with the thumb stud and the version without. We'll give you a close-up of the thumb stud version. And since we always do the flippers, we'll put this one away today and work with the nail nick version, or the legal to carry everywhere version, as they like to refer to it as. Alright, so put this one down. We'll pull this one out. First of all, we'll tell you a little bit about the specs. This knife is 7.76 inch overall. The blade length is 3.3 inch. Weight is 4.66 ounce. It is a frame lock. Tip up right hand carry. Has one large barrel spacer on the see-through chassis. Does have a little jimping on top of the blade, as you can see there. This would be a nice gentleman's carry. We'll go ahead and pull out some paracord before we keep talking about this and show you how it cuts. As you can see here, it has a spot designed for your finger, just a small area. Being that it is D2, it's going to be extremely sharp out the box. As you can see there, it cuts very smoothly. One hand opening with the nail nick one probably isn't going to happen. You could work it out, but probably not best of ideas. Go ahead and pull some cardboard out. We'll show you how it performs in a precision cut. So this spear point is extremely sharp. As you can see there, in spear cutting it's going to perform well. You can use as much or as little of the blade as you want. Gives you accuracy in cutting. Didn't get my full smiley face, so we'll try that again. There we go. That makes me happy. As you can tell, it cuts cleanly and smoothly. It's a very large knife for only 4 ounces. Extremely sharp. We'll bring the thumb stud version over. I don't know why I opened it like that since it's a thumb stud version, but too late now. We'll show it to you again. Match them up side by side so you get a look how almost identical they are. And that's the Real Steel Phasma. Thumb stud version, nail nick version. For those of you that are watching on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to Atlantic Knife. Watch our weekly show. We have giveaways. We have a large one coming up this week. For those of you watching on Instagram, make sure you follow Atlantic Knife. We do posts about knife information, new knives, weekly giveaways. You name it, it's there. On that note, I am C with Atlantic Knife, signing off.